Ms.
I'm not talking
Riddle,
to you, ma'am.
Ms. Riddle, Ms. Riddle.
The judge is talking to you, ma'am. Don't talk to me. Talk to the judge,
Ms.
please.
Riddle, your allegation's so ridiculous, it's laughable.
In the first hearing, this woman quickly shows she's not going to make things easy. While the judge tries to move the case along, she repeatedly interrupts, argues, and pushes her explanation for missing court, claiming someone spilled water on her phone, and that's why she couldn't make it. The more the judge tries to speak, the more she talks over him, turning what should be a routine hearing into a tense back and forth. But when the case returns to court again, the situation takes a much darker turn. Because in the second hearing, the same woman who seemed disruptive and argumentative suddenly makes a disturbing accusation against the judge, one he can hardly believe.
You can take. We're not. Miss Riddle, come on. We're gonna deal with this other matter first. Your card thing can wait. Come on, we gotta go see the judge. Come on.
My Richie Lyons spilled water on my phone.
That's not priority right now. Come on, come on. We're going in front of the judge again. Come with me, come on.
Richie Lyons spilled water.
Ms.
when he
Riddle,
brought my car.
Ms. Riddle,
He brought my car
Ms.
to
Riddle.
the station last night.
You hear the judge talking to you right now?
Ms.
What's
Riddle,
on that red X face of the TV
Ms.
for me,
Riddle,
please?
get in front of the camera, stop yelling and carrying on, and behave yourself. Your
Richie
name.
Lyons brought my car out front and
I
spilled
wanna hear
water
it.
on my phone.
I don't want to hear it.
Last night. I need to
I
hear
don't
the
want
witness.
to hear it. Tell me your name. What's your name?
Teresa Riddle.
Your appearance.
He's my witness that he spilled water on my phone last night.
Ma'am,
My
Ma'am.
phone was,
ma'am,
was
I'm
told.
gonna, you know what I'm gonna do if you'd say another word? I'm gonna have them hold you overnight with no bond, and then we'll try tomorrow. And if you give me this guff again tomorrow, I'll just put you back in till the following Wednesday and we'll try again. So don't be carrying on with me. I'm in the middle of an exam. I'm gonna arraign you, but you're not gonna carry on like this. Do we understand one another? Yes or no?
yes,
All right.
yes.
Now we're gonna talk about the arraignment. Does she stand mute, waive formal reading?
Yes, sir.
Why wasn't she here?
Your Honor, my understanding is that some water spilled on her phone, and my interpretation was that prevented her from being able to call an Uber or whatnot to get here. But that is my best interpretation for my conversations. Very.
Richie
This
Lyons
phone.
picked me up.
It wasn't your
I'm
turn to
sorry.
talk.
I'm
It was not
sorry.
your turn to talk.
I'm sorry.
Her phone got wet and it ruined her phone, and so she couldn't call. Is that, what I'm
Yes.
just asking, is that true?
Correct.
Couldn't call, and she was unable to get a ride. She didn't have.
She lives on Charlton. You still live on Charlton, ma'am?
No, I live at the Southland Motel
My
right now
client is
temporarily.
She's unhoused. She's staying with a friend who happens to have a room at the Southland Hotel right now. She got a P.O. box she can give the court. Yeah.
Sergeant, how did you pick her up today? How did they pick her up?
Good afternoon, Judge. Detective Sergeant Mark Driscoll. After I was made aware that a warrant was going to be issued, I was able to realize Miss Riddle was in town on our flock camera system. One of our officers located her over at Walgreens made contact with her. They were made aware of the warrant, that she didn't appear this morning as she was scheduled to, and that's where we're back at it again today.
And she was at Walmart? Wait a minute.
Walgreens, Judge.
Walgreens in
in our
Trenton?
city. Yes, sir. Can I add one thing to the phone idea
Sure.
real quick? And I know you're in the middle of the exam. So we have 8 from about 2 a.m. yesterday, last night, early this morning to 7 a.m. that Miss Riddle emailed council people and the mayor of Trenton to articulate an old case that she believes that we haven't investigated properly, make allegations that have been unfounded. And I'm not going to go too deep in the weeds because it doesn't necessarily pertain to this, but there's this repetitive behavior of her mass emailing and people that if she wanted to report a crime, she would, Miss Riddle, I'm not talking to you.
Ms.
I'm not
Riddle,
talking to you,
Ms. Riddle, Ms. Riddle.
The judge is talking to you, ma'am. don't talk to me, talk to the judge.
Ms.
please.
Riddle, look at me, ma'am, or I'm gonna cut this off and we'll
Yes.
arraign you tomorrow.
So my point, Judge, is I believe that her phone was operational. She was
It
able to
was?
send 8 consecutive emails between 2 AM and 7 AM to the mayor of Stratton, to several city council members. So to me, the excuse that her phone wasn't working, obviously working well enough, ma'am, I'm not talking to you again.
Stop it.
So that's just what I wanted to articulate, that we have this ongoing issue with her within the city. Contacted people that she wouldn't report a crime to. Now her claim is that her phone was broken, Judge. That's where I'm at.
It was
Prepare a
wet.
forfeiture,
It got
ma'am, ma'am.
By Richie Lyons, and I need to hear.
Ma'am, I'm gonna really lose my patience here if I already have. I'm not gonna ask you again. You don't want to show up on this case. You weren't here March 26th. You weren't here April 24th. You weren't here December 4th. I arraigned you yesterday and you didn't show up today. We're not putting the warrant in the lien, but I am forfeiting the bond. And the new bond's going to be 10,000, 10%. And if you post that and you don't show up, you know what I'm going to do next time? I will set 100,000 cash and you will be sitting in jail until I get ready to take care of this case. This is ridiculous. You don't get to do this. Ma'am?
I have
Ma'am,
evidence.
I'm not going to argue with you. And that's it. We'll give you an early court date. Unfortunately, you just screwed yourself by not showing up today because Trenton isn't going to be back in front of me for 2 weeks. So I hope you can post $1,000. What, ma'am?
I need
Ma'am?
Richie Lyons here. He
I've
was the one who
ma'am,
spilled the water on my phone when he picked me up last night.
ma'am,
Do you believe Richie Lyons?
ma'am, I believe that you were
He's my only witness.
I believe if you were at Walgreens in Trenton, that you could have made it here for your court date. Period.
No, my phone
Ma'am,
died. Read
ma'am.
the receipt. The receipt says
Ma'am,
that the phone was dead.
This hearing
when I
is
went to
over.
Taylor.
You don't understand. Same bond conditions as I outlined yesterday. Now you have to post 1,000. If you want to forfeit that, that's up to you. You must have a lot of money because you forfeited a
I'm
ton of
on
bonds
Social
on this.
Security disability, and I only
Ma'am.
get a pension
Ma'am.
from Customs and Immigration
Keep your mouth
for
down.
10 years. I
Ma'am,
served.
keep your mouth down. What, Sergeant?
Sorry to bother you, Judge. I know you got a hearing. Can we put in a stipulation for her not to contact? Because I don't want this to get to another harassment complaint. If she has complaints, criminal complaints, she's obviously welcome to come to the Trenton Police. But contact with the mayor on complaints.
Well,
potential
I don't
criminal
know.
complaints.
I can't. Hang on. I can't, ma'am. Will you please stop looking at him?
I can't
rolling.
believe what's coming out of his
I
mouth.
can't believe you roll your eyes and you're this disrespect. I just can't. Ms. Merito,
I've been friends with Deb Devitt, with the
I
mayor.
don't care
I've been
who
friends
your
with them for
friends
10
are.
years.
I don't really care. I'm
I
friends with
did
Deb Devitt,
charity
but I could
work
care less.
with Deb
10,000,
and
ma'am,
all of those guys.
10%. I can't order that, detective. I mean, I can't order not that they're not witnesses to this crime, so I can't really order
Okay, Judge.
that. But you can't violate a law. So if you keep harassing them, they're going to charge you and I'm going to forfeit your bond again.
I've only contacted them one time, Judge.
I don't
Are we
want to
all
hear
set
it.
here, Judge?
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. No, at some point, you're going to learn to show up. January 29th at 9:45. Good luck to you, ma'am. I wish you well. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All
Thank you,
right,
Judge.
thank you.
I know Miss Riddle from some previous representation. She had a felony in front of this court for a preliminary exam, got found over. And after that preliminary exam, I was assigned a representative. She discharged me. There was no problems with that. It happens. And she went through a number of attorneys after that. And today, lo and behold, I saw her here. And then I was going to represent her. She informed me that she'd rather have another counsel.
Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank at the City Trenton Gunner.
All right, well, I don't know what to say on this. You don't get to pick your own lawyer. What did Mr. Schloff do wrong?
No, it's just that he did not represent the.
Well, I don't know what that means. I mean, I don't know what that means. You gotta be more specific. He's a good lawyer.
Alright.
Turn that microphone toward her, will you please?
He just didn't, I wanted him to be aware of certain things and handle things as a certain way. And I just not handle it with about.
On the other case? Yes?
Felony case.
Has he done anything wrong on this case?
Well, I mean, it's still, he's got that previous record.
What record?
Well.
You don't have a felony record, do you, or a misdemeanor record? What record?
Just, I mean, I didn't like how the previous,
Ms. Riddle?
hearing.
I'm just gonna have a candid conversation. Mr. Bologna, your name? Detective Driscoll, I got a disturbing call the other night about accusations that Ms. Riddle has levied against me. And
Yes, Your Honor. If you need, for the record, I can send you a copy of.
I need it. I
yeah,
know,
it's-
I'll say it. I don't even know the lady. She was accusing me of sexually assaulting her. And she was accusing me and another judge of conspiring to hire a hitman to have her killed. I can still handle this case fairly. I think there's other issues going on. I'm ordering a competency exam on this. And I'm going to order it now. And I'm going to continue the bond. And we will have a competency exam. And that's it. I was like taken really aback. I mean, I've had accusations that are false levied against me in 32 years, but that's ridiculous. So, ma'am,
It was a chair review for the newspaper.
I think that you shouldn't get into the details at all.
competency exam is ordered. I'm going to keep you on the case. You don't have the right to hire and fire court-appointed lawyers. If you're not happy with Mr. Schloff, you're going to have to be more specific. I'm not prepared to discharge him now. We'll see how the competency results come back. And we will go from there. And competency exam ordered. We'll set this for arraignment and pretrial. I'm guessing that they're taking at least 2 months, right? So why don't we set this up for sometime in the middle of April? And
It'll be on a Thursday as well.
yes, and I'm not going to remove Mr. Schloff. You haven't given me any reason. I've been around Mr. Ma'am. I've been around Mr. Schloff enough in my career. I have a great deal of respect for him. I would find it hard to believe that he did anything wrong. And when we come back, if you still want him discharged, you're going to have to be a lot more specific about what he has done wrong in this case, okay? But I'm ordering a competency exam. You have to go down and get evaluated, okay? I think this is for your own good. We'll set it for a, ma'am.
You're gonna send me, I've already had, call our,
I can't hear you, ma'am. You got to talk into the microphone nice and loud.
I've already, worked with what I was trying to do was file charges with the Trenton Police Chief. And he has refused for the last 2 years to file any charges or complaints. And then when they arrested me and that chief spit.
All right, I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna file that.
I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. I don't, listen. I'm going to send you for a competency exam. I think we can help you. Ma'am, do not argue with me, please. That's what I'm ordering. We're going to give her a review hearing date in the middle of April, and we will go from there.
She received a letter from
The forensic center. You go and look at it every day, because don't come in here when you don't show up for the exam and tell me I never got it. I didn't check my PO box. I don't know what else to tell you. You got what I'm saying?
Is there a specific post office where that Box this.
Just right in, what's up?
It's in the city of Trenton, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, Trenton Post
I
Office.
just wanted to make sure too.
So that's where we're gonna send the mail. We're gonna set a review hearing in the middle of April. When will that be, Heather or? Amy,
Judge,
or-
we could do either April 9th or April 23rd.
Let's set it for April 9th at 9:30 in the morning. You go down the hall, get your notice, but you have to show up for the forensic. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Sometimes things go awry in our life. We have problems. We're going to try to get you some help. Just let me try to help you, will you please? And I think you'll find out this will work better. Detective, if there's something else to add, I'll be glad to listen. I see no reason for me to recuse myself at this point. I think it's just,
Don't I asked you to recuse when I was in Dartmouth before, and,
you asked me to recuse myself?
Can you say before, during the pendency of this charge?
I don't think she's
It
ever been.
was when that girl, that she had 3 vicious unleashed dogs
Ma'am,
that attacked me,
ma'am.
and I asked you to recuse.
Well, okay.
that day.
I have to have a basis for it. I have to either be biased for you or against you. And ma'am, please don't interrupt me. You have a tendency to interrupt people. There's nothing here that makes me biased for you or against you. Okay? Your allegation's so ridiculous, it's laughable. I'm not getting into this anymore. Go down the hall, get your review hearing date. I'll address the issue with Mr. Schloff when you come back. You got to show up for your examination and we'll let it play out. That's it. Have a good day.
Can I request the FOIA in the court hearing?
Request what?
The FOIA from that court hearing,
What court hearing?
the one where I asked you to recuse yourself.
Ma'am, I don't even know when it was. I don't remember. Well, then you request it, you pay for it, and we'll be glad to type the transcript up. I don't care if you did or not. I'm not biased for you. I'm not biased against you. This is the way I do my job every single day. I'm not going to hear it anymore. Back away from the podium, go to the exam, go down the hall, get your notice, and I'll address all these issues then. Thank you. Jermaine Sean Hall Jr., 25G 306 346 A, B, and C. Back away from the podium, Ms. Riddle. All right, come on up here, ma'am. Ms. Riddle, back away from the podium, ma'am. Now, don't make me do something I don't want to do. Back away. You go to state as a lawyer, detective. You know that?
Sometimes it's easier, Judge. I understand.
Oh, they think what I do is easier. Come on up here. I'm just kidding. Mr. Hall, your name again.